There is a reason the most dangerous people in a negotiation are often the quietest ones in the room. Introverts have been underestimated for decades, and new research shows that was a massive mistake. Because hidden inside that quiet exterior are abilities most people spend their whole lives trying to develop. Some of history's sharpest strategists, most successful founders, and most respected leaders were introverts hiding in plain sight, mistaken for shy, when really they were simply calculating. Today, we uncover 8 of them, and by the end, you will never look at the quiet person in the room the same way again. Here is what almost nobody understands. Being an introvert was never about being shy. It was never about being antisocial either. It is about how the brain processes energy, stimulation, and information. And that single difference in wiring creates advantages that extroverts often cannot access, no matter how hard they try. It shapes how introverts think, how they connect, how they recover from stress, and even how they make decisions under pressure. Let's start with the first one. Strength number 1. Introverts think before they speak, and that changes everything. While most people respond instantly in conversation, filling silence out of pure discomfort, an introvert pauses. That pause is not hesitation. It is processing. Studies on brain activity show introverts often have more blood flow to areas responsible for planning and problem solving. In other words, that quiet moment before they answer is not empty. It is a small, invisible calculation happening in real time. It is the reason an introvert's answer, once it finally comes, often lands with more precision than a dozen quick responses ever could. Strength number 2 might surprise you. Introverts remember details almost nobody else catches. Because they are not busy performing in a conversation, their attention is free to notice everything else happening around them. The parts of the scene most people walk right past without a second glance. The exact words someone chose. The small shift in someone's posture. The tiny inconsistency in a story that nobody else picked up on. This is why introverts often make excellent writers, analysts, and even detectives. Their brain was built for observation, not performance. While everyone else is busy waiting for their turn to speak, the introvert has already noticed 3 things that will matter far more than anything said out loud. Now here is where it gets interesting. Strength number 3. Introverts build deeper, longer-lasting relationships. While extroverts often collect a wide circle of surface-level friends, introverts invest heavily in just a few. Research shows these smaller circles tend to be far more resilient during hard times. Why? Because introverts choose people carefully, and once trust is built, it rarely breaks. The quiet person you assumed had no friends might actually have the strongest support system in the room, one built slowly, tested repeatedly, and trusted completely. Strength number 4 is one almost nobody talks about. Introverts recharge through solitude, and that alone rewires how they handle stress. Where extroverts often burn out from too much time alone, introverts burn out from too much stimulation. Give them quiet time to reset, and they return sharper, calmer, and more emotionally stable than before. This is not weakness. It is an internal battery system most people never learn to manage as well, and it is the reason an introvert can walk into a chaotic situation and stay composed while everyone else is spiraling. Pause for a second and think about someone in your own life who fits this pattern. The one who goes quiet at parties, then somehow shows up the next morning with more energy than everyone who stayed out late. That is not luck. That is a nervous system that knows exactly how to protect itself. Here is a twist you did not expect. Strength number 5. Introverts are often better listeners than professional therapists give them credit for. Because they are less focused on filling silence with their own voice, they naturally create space for others to open up. People instinctively feel safer confiding in an introvert because they sense they are actually being heard, not just waiting for their turn to talk. This quiet skill builds trust faster than almost any other social behavior, which is exactly why people often walk away from a conversation with an introvert feeling more understood than they have in months. We are only halfway through, and the strengths get even more surprising. Strength number 6. Introverts are exceptional at deep, focused work. In a world addicted to constant notifications and multitasking, the introvert's comfort with solitude becomes a competitive advantage. Studies on creative output consistently show that uninterrupted, quiet focus produces higher quality work than fragmented attention ever could. Think about the last time you produced your best work. It probably was not in a loud open office, surrounded by chatter and notifications. It was probably somewhere quiet, somewhere you could finally hear your own thoughts. While everyone else is context switching all day, the introvert is quietly producing something extraordinary in the background, something that will still be standing long after everyone else's scattered effort has been forgotten. Strength number 7 changes how you see confidence. Introverts often display what psychologists call quiet confidence, a type of self-assurance that does not need external validation to exist. They do not need a room full of people cheering them on to know their own worth. Think of the quiet coworker who never brags about their wins, yet somehow always delivers. That is not luck either. That is someone whose confidence was built from the inside out, brick by brick, without an audience watching. This internal validation system makes them remarkably resilient to criticism, rejection, and social pressure. Because their sense of self was never built on the crowd's approval in the first place, they can walk out of a room that did not applaud them and still know exactly what they are worth. Strength number 8 is the one that ties everything together. Introverts think in systems, not just moments. Because their minds are less occupied with constant social performance, they have more mental space to notice patterns, connect distant ideas, and think several steps ahead, often arriving at conclusions the rest of the room will not reach for another 10 minutes. Many of history's most influential thinkers, inventors, and writers describe themselves as deeply introverted. Their quiet, undisturbed inner world was not a limitation. It was the exact environment their genius required to grow, the same way a seed needs darkness before it ever reaches light. So here is what all 8 strengths really mean when you put them together. Being an introvert was never a smaller way of existing in the world. It is a different operating system, one built for depth instead of speed, for observation instead of performance, for quality connection instead of quantity. In a culture that constantly rewards the loudest voice in the room, introverts have quietly been building something far more valuable the entire time. One conversation, one quiet decision, one carefully chosen relationship at a time. If you recognized even 4 of these 8 strengths in yourself, hear this clearly. You were never too quiet. You were never too much in your own head. You were simply operating on a different frequency, one the world has not always known how to appreciate. And that frequency has produced some of the deepest thinkers, the most loyal friends, and the most original ideas in human history. So here is the real question worth sitting with tonight. How many times have you shrunk your own voice just to seem more comfortable to people who never understood the value of your silence in the first place? How many rooms have you sat in, quietly noticing everything, while everyone else assumed you had nothing to say? How much of your quiet has been mistaken for absence, when it was actually the loudest form of presence in the room? Sit with that question for a moment, because your quiet has never been empty. It has always been full. Full of thoughts, full of observations, full of depth most people never take the time to reach. If this video made you see your own quiet strength a little differently, share it with someone who needs to hear it today. And stay close, because we are only just getting started.